Hey guys, Sarah Gilmore here, and if you are one of those people that are wanting to make some online money quickly and that's free, then I have the perfect opportunity for you, and it's called Motor Club of America. Motor Club of America is a roadside assistance company. They provide emergency roadside assistance and a lot of other benefits to their members. Now, when you sign up, you will pay for Motor Club of America. However, this is basically free because you pay $40 to get started, $20 a month, right? However, each referral you make, you're going to get $80 to $90 per person. So your $40 is back plus 40 more in your pocket. And again, every month when you're paying the $20, you make that $20 back plus 60, at least 60 more dollars. So guys, this is basically a free opportunity. You're making your money back plus a lot more. If you are interested in joining Motor Club of America, guys, you'll get free training if you sign up through me, and you can get started right away, and you can use what is called the Wi-Fi Well system. It's a system that you send out to people when they want to know more about this opportunity. So it's going to do all of the selling and telling for you guys. It has 3 streams of income built into it, and I'll let you see that as you go through the system and get signed up. You sign up, once you get signed up within the system, it is yours to use and to send out to other people. Within the system are training videos that teach you how to get signed up, what to do. It has training on how to do solo ads. And like I said, when you sign up with me, I also give you free training on how to post ads on social media. And when those ads generate sales, guys, you're going to get paid commission through Motor Club of America. You're going to get paid commission through these other 2 streams of income within the Wi-Fi Well system. So I encourage you guys, go ahead and click the link below my video. You can get started today, and you can get started on your training today. You can get money in your pocket. And go ahead and please subscribe to my videos. Like them, share them with other people. I have a lot more information for you guys, so always stay tuned for more information, and I hope you have a wonderful day.